Over the last couple of days, I've seen quite a bunch of interesting stuff. Here, a great blue heron captures and swallows a pretty large blue crab. A very young robin was standing in the road with probably its mother. When I came by, the mother took off and the young one was left standing there. The mother made a call and it hopped into the grass and then kind of hid in the grass. I mean, not very effectively, but when they're this age and they can't fly, that's about their most effective thing to do, is to like camouflage themselves. That's why they're speckled. And this one stayed there. When I got real close to take its picture, it didn't move, but I just took its picture for a few seconds and moved on. First, you get to watch all the frogs jump from a part of the shoreline of Ridgeside Lake. Then you're going to see the whole thing again in slow motion, and you can really watch the frogs, and there's some quite good jumpers in there today. Here's one of the young red-tailed hawks with its feed me call, hoping that somebody will come along and bring a little rabbit. Good shot of a pair of flickers. I started watching this young turkey. It's pretty small compared to the other ones, so I'm assuming it's pretty young. And then this adult female was like almost right next to me. It was like, whoa, what's going on here? So I tried to watch it feed. I've been trying to zoom in on them feeding, but I have not yet been able to figure out exactly what they are eating. And then I watched the two of them, the young male and the older female, walk across the road. You can see how much bigger the female is.